witch from next door.
What's wonderful about Into the Woods is that
I wish
you have a combination of all the most famous fairy tales
more than jewels.
in this one story.
Cinderella,
I wish
Jack and the Beanstalk, Little Red Riding Hood,
more than life.
Rapunzel. It incorporates all of those stories,
I wish
yet within a fresh, brand new story.
more than anything.
More than the moon. I wish.
You wish to have the curse reversed?
Go to the wood.
All these characters go into the woods to get their wishes, and you see how far will they push it to get what they want.
And they end up trying to outdo each other.
But she did.
Yeah, but she might have
But
done.
she didn't.
But she might have done. Cares?
When we set out to write this story, we wanted to do something that was fun.
What's so beautiful about this piece is not just a musical, it's not just a comedy, it's not just a drama, it's all of those things interwoven.
The great joy of this was getting to work with such a huge ensemble, such a great cast.
It's a lovely cast, and we were very lucky to get the right people for the right roles.
What is it you wish?
It's not what I wish, it's what you wish.
Rob Marshall really is amazing. He has such a musical sensibility. He actually has a percussive sense of the movement of the piece, almost like a conductor.
His approach is very pure, and he's out there to make something beautiful. He's the real thing.
Nobody ever gets a chance to play this kind of heightened reality, fantasy, fairy tale, married to a beautiful, beautiful score.
Stay with me, the world is dark and wild.
It's a large orchestra, and it sounds great. And when it's in a theater, it's going to sound pretty lush and spectacular.
You can be a child.
I think Stephen Sondheim is the greatest living composer we have. It's like the great material matching our great actors. When those two things come together, it's sort of just amazing.
These characters have to figure out how to deal with their emotions, their selfishness, their disappointments, everything that it means to be human.
Maybe I shouldn't have strayed from the path. Maybe I shouldn't have attended the ball.
I was raised to be charming, not sincere.
The Woods really lure all of these characters to discover what they really want in life. The theme very much is careful what you wish for. You should just look at what you have rather than what you want, because the repercussions of that can be quite dangerous.